Cool, right?
Great. I'm gonna work on learning and getting one.
Yeah. Do you have like one of those little UMX ones just to kick around?
Like I said, I literally have my front yard is this big. I can just fly right in my
Go
home.
right in front.
Zach, you gotta go like this.
It's addicting. 'Cause when
I'm
you get
going,
those
I guess I'm gonna go straight out.
I work pretty hard, so I get the mean.
Yeah, tip it upside down, Chris.
I'll follow you.
I'm gonna check the, all right, let me check the throttle now. Okay. Okay, I guess, don't really matter. I guess straight out.
See what happens. Go first.
Okay.
Oh, you're doing your maneuver. Sorry.
Okay.
I'll remember eventually.
Do you want to catch up to me, Chris?
Can you guys fly in a formation?
Yeah, we're gonna.
There we go, Cap. Look at that.
Come on, you guys can bring it in closer than that. Pretty freaking cool.
How close do you want it?
5 feet.
Hey, step back just a little bit.
Are you upside down? So yeah. Come on,
You know, these look intimidating a little bit, but believe it or not, when they fly.
why don't you guys both come down here like low?
Okay.
Now. Come zipping right by it. Wow. This thing took pretty good. You're way over there.
Yeah. I'm gonna come across from the right, Chris. Let's step back just a little bit.
Coming in. Right to left.
I got 16 seconds on mine. Okay, don't go out in the field though. Stay off the field a second there, Charlie.
That's awesome.
That was cool, man.
Are you coming in, Dad?
Yeah.
That was pretty cool, right? Huh?
Okay, you coming in right now, Chris?
Nope.
All right. I'm gonna come in from your right.
Nice.
Finally got
Huh?
my gear. How does the quick gear down?
You're missing a you're missing a wheel. Your left one. He's missing a left wheel. Can you just have to
Oh shit, no way, Chris.
might as well just leave him up. I'm gonna leave it up.
Yeah, it's fine.
It didn't come down all the way.
Huh?
It didn't come down all the way.
Beautiful.
Nice.